This is the final product looks like after the end of the video. Please continue watching. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm making DIY candle holder, and this wood piece was left over from another wood project, and it is 24 inches long and 4.6 inches wide, and I'm using clay here to create this candle holder. So I prepared all the clay strands in advance so I can stick all together, and here I'm using the tools to make the corners little perfect, and I'm done with the clay, and here I use the school glue to stick the clay on the board. And to make the circles I use the tin boxes so I can stick the clay in the round shape. These are not that perfect, but I tried my best, and almost I'm done with the clay part. If you enjoy watching my videos, please like, share and subscribe, and you can turn on the notification button to get new updates. So coloring part is my most important part, and I enjoy doing this part, and I have used the vibrant colors to decorate it so it gives the festive vibes. So at the end I'm using the lace for the sides, so I chose the golden lace and it's 1 inch wide and it's looking very elegant on the sides. Here I'm using spray paint. It's easy and quick to paint the tins. So I am decorating it further with the rhinestone laces. So my product